Guten Morgen. Willkommen zur Lektion 1. In this lesson, we are going to learn about German personal pronouns. Okay, in the German language, there are different forms of personal pronouns that we use to refer peoples or things. So, now let's going to meet what are those pronouns. Okay, ich. Ich refers to I. The pronoun ich is used to refer to oneself. It means to the speaker. For an example, ich bin ein Student. That means I am a student. Okay, next is du. Du means you, informal singular you. Okay, so du is used to address someone in an informal manner. As example, du bist nett. Du bist nett means you are nice. Er, sie, es. Er refers to he. She refers to she. Es refers to it. So, er refers to he. She refers to she. Es refers to it. What you get? It means er, she, es means to he, she, it. So, as an example, let's say sie liest ein Buch. Sie liest ein Buch means she reads a book. Wir. Wir means we. Wir is used to refer to a group that includes oneself. So, for an example, wir gehen ins Kino. Wir gehen ins Kino means we are going to the cinema or we go to the cinema. Next one will be ihr. Ihr means you, informal, plural you. So, ihr is used to address a group informally. Okay. So, as an example, ihr seid meine Freunde means you are my friends. See again, yes, this time see means they. See is used to refer to a group of people. So, as an example, we can take sie arbeiten hart. That means they work hard. Okay, this time we are going to use sie is to indicate formal singular you. So, when addressing in a formal way someone, we use this sie. So, as an example, we can say haben Sie einen Moment. Haben Sie einen Moment means do you have a moment?